Abstraction is a powerful concept in computer science that simplifies complex realities. Imagine trying to understand a massive system all at once, overwhelming, right? Instead, abstraction allows us to model classes based on essential properties and behaviors, while cleverly hiding unnecessary details. This means we can focus on how different components interact rather than getting bogged down by their internal workings. Think of it like driving a car. You don't need to know how the engine works to get from point A to point B. You just need to know how to steer, accelerate, and brake. By breaking down large systems into smaller, manageable pieces, abstraction helps us manage complexity effectively. It's like having a roadmap that highlights the important routes while omitting the clutter of side streets. This clarity is crucial for building scalable and maintainable software. Embracing abstraction not only enhances our understanding, but also empowers us to create more efficient solutions in our coding journey.